bust and dust to dust. I might leave in a body bag, but never in cuffs. So who do you trust? They just not rugged enough. When things get rough, I'm in the club shooting with pop. Bitch, please, you must have a mental disease. Assume the position and get back down on your knees. Come on.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always want a name.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always want a name.
Oh no, big slim dog, 80-pound ball,
What?
thick 6-inch long. Back up in the, he's it baby, he's shaded.
He's so crazy.
Give me the mic, let me recite to Timothy White. Pickets outside, begin to scope offices every night. What if he's right? I'm just a criminal, making a living off of the world's misery. What in the world gives me the right to say without flipping the bird? Living the urban life like a white kid in the burbs. Dreaming at night and screaming at mom, scheming to leave. Run away from home and grow to be as evil as me. I just want you all to notice me and people to see that somewhere deep down is a decent human being in me. It just can't be found. So the reason you've been seeing this me is cause this is me now. The recent dude who's being is me. So when you see me dressing up like a nerd on TV or heard the CD using the fag word so freely, it's just me being me. Here, want me to tone it down? Suck my fucking dick, you faggot. You happy now? Look here, I start some trouble everywhere that I go. Ask the bouncers in the club cause they know. I saw some shit that throw me out the back door. Come back and shoot the club up with a fofo.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always want a name.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always want a name.
2001 and forever. Slim Shady, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, X to the Z, Nate Dogg. Come on, yeah.
I'm the fucking man, y'all don't get it, do you? Type of money, everybody acting like they knew you. Go uptown, New York City, big.